over the last couple of laps.
If you're Scott, you got to run straight through. Run straight through. Yep. Did he get one? No, he still didn't. He just drive it across there.
Extraordinary drive from this 20-year-old, holding off the 5-time series champ who's at the peak of his powers.
The ride control of that Red Bull car under brakes in turn 4 there was really impressive. He's right on the rear bumper of the Volvo. These guys playing for keeps. Look at Whincup. He's all over the back of this thing. He's got to get an exit here as they make the run to 7. If he's off here cleanly and he can harass McLaughlin, he has. A chance may come when they get down to turn 9. This is the moment. He's closer now on the run to 8. This is what he's got to do. Let's watch, listen and learn. Nothing in it. Move it over, Scotty. If anything, McLaughlin can hold his ground there, and Whincup is at the absolute edge of the braking performance. He goes wide. No. He's trying to get underneath him. When they get to 10, the crowd reacts. This is fantastic. Whincup up the inside. McLaughlin gives him some space. They run, but the Red Bull Racing man has got through. The champion's done the job. Dive down the inside, down the inside. So close. What a battle.
Unbelievable.